Hey guys, hope you're well. My name's Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency. I just want to show you how to build this AI agent. That'll mean you never have to think of your own content ideas again. It's really simple. It'll only take me a couple of minutes to build. So I'm going to start with the supervisor. It needs a chat model, and I'm going to use OpenAI model. So that's key. I use the latest GPT model, so it behaves a little bit better. I leave the temperature high because we need it to be creative. Connect that to the tool calling chat model. Nothing else needs changing there. Now we just need a worker. I've prepared the prompt for the worker already, so I'll just be copy and pasting that in, and I will leave that in the comments so you can copy and paste it too. We're going to call it the content idea generator. Got a notepad here with it copied. There we go. Give you a little look at the prompt. Essentially, the user gives it a niche and a social media platform it wants content for, and it generates a list of content ideas tailored to that niche and platform. We're also giving it access to SERPA, which is a Google search API, essentially. It allows it to search for recent news and trends. We're going to specify that right now is the end of January 2025. Sometimes it plays up a little bit in terms of the date it's searching for news for. And then, we just need to connect the supervisor to the worker and add the SERPA API. Ooh, what are we doing? There we go, SERPA. There. Zoom out a little bit, put it here. So SERPA then connects to tools here, the tools of the worker. So really simple flow. Supervisor, AI chat model, worker with a SERPA connection. Oh, we need to give it SERPA credential, SERPA API. Cool. So I'll save that. So now I just need to give it a niche or a topic and a platform. So I'll just say AI LinkedIn and see what it comes up with. Move my face out of the way, put me over there. Where did it go? Not sure what happened there. Let's try that again. Must have accidentally pressed the stop button. There we go. So the supervisor, that's what the supervisor has asked the worker to generate content ideas, focus on AI. For LinkedIn, consider how AI can be used in LinkedIn for networking, etc. So here's some of the topics to make content on. So agentic AI systems. To about how agentic AI systems are leading the AI landscape in 2025. Are they the future of automation? An article on RAG, retrieval augmented generation. RAG is essentially where you train an AI agent on a particular document, and then you can essentially ask that AI system trained on a document questions. Securing AI systems, so stuff relating to AI and security, small language models, AI frameworks. And there we go. Let's see if we ask it for evergreen topics in AI. On LinkedIn. So it's given us a load of sort of relevant to right now, but news kind of things to see what it gives us in terms of evergreen topics. a little bit slow. There we go. Right, it's given us some more, evergreen, as I said, topics. So yeah, as you can see, this agent's really easy to build, especially as I'm going to be providing the prompt for you to just directly copy and paste out of YouTube. It'll take like a couple of minutes, and it is pretty good at creating content ideas. So yeah, I hope that's helpful. Thanks very much for watching.